Let's turn your favorite chocolate into ice cream. Today we're going to be making Kit Kat and M&M ice cream using 4 simple ingredients. So grab your favorite chocolate bar and let's make some homemade ice cream together. The recipe is extremely simple. So to a bowl, we're going to be adding 1 liter of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Once we have all our ingredients combined, we're going to go ahead and use our hand mixer, and we're going to mix this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it has a fluffy or soft serve texture. Once we have the texture that we desire, we're then going to set that to the side and we're going to start prepping our chocolate. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I'll be making Kit Kat and M&M ice cream. I don't have a fruit processor, so I'm going to be using the Ziploc bag method. So in one bag, I'll put my Kit Kat, in the other, I'll put my M&M, and you can use whichever chocolate you prefer. Then I'm going to use a rolling pin to beat that until it's in small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better. You want to have them in small pieces to prevent them from sinking to the bottom of your ice cream. So use your rolling pin or your hard surface, take your time, and ensure that your chocolate are in small pieces. Before adding my chocolate, I'm going to go ahead and separate my ice cream batter into, I want to make 2 different flavors. So at this step, I'm just going to split them in half, and then I'm going to proceed to mixing in my chocolate. Next, we're going to go ahead and pour in our chocolate, and then we're just going to use something to fold that in and ensure that everything is mixed in properly. That way, every bite has a bit of your favorite chocolate in it. Once we have everything mixed in, we're going to go ahead and transfer our ice cream into something that is freezer safe, and then we're going to put that in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 hours. After 5 to 7 hours, your ice cream will be ready to be served. Honestly, guys, this is such a simple and easy recipe to follow. It is 4 simple ingredients and is absolutely delicious because you can have your ice cream your way. DQ could never. But until next time, guys, bye.